Hey guys, it's Chloe from the Beauty School, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the certificate in body waxing. Let's jump into it. So first off, you'll open your kit and you will receive a sheet which will have a checklist of everything that's in your kit. So make sure to be checking that off while you're working through the items in your kit. So to start off, we have your 70% alcohol swabs, your disposable G-strings, disposable gloves, 2 towels, strip wax. Then you have got your mini wax heater, your large wax heater. Now we're going to jump into what's in your kit bag. Stainless steel spatula, small wax applicators, large wax applicators, your wax remover, after wax treatment and pre-wax cleanser, hard wax beads, baby powder, cotton pads, waxing strips, tweezers and scissors. And that is everything in your body waxing kit. We hope you enjoy it and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.